You grew a few cherry tomatoes on your balcony or in a small garden, but not enough to make a big batch of sauce. So what do you do with them? Don't let them sit on the counter until they go soft. This is one of the simplest ways I know to preserve a small tomato harvest for winter. And when I say simple, I mean simple. Tomatoes, salt, a clean jar, that's it. No vinegar, no water, no complicated brine, no long list of ingredients. Start with fresh cherry tomatoes and wash them well, then pack them into a small, clean jar. And this part actually matters. Really pack them in. Give the jar a gentle shake and press the tomatoes down softly. They'll soften and lose volume as they cook, so if you leave too much empty space now, you'll end up with a half-empty jar later. Once the jar is full, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Nothing else. No water. The tomatoes are going to make their own juice. Close the lid tightly, then place the jar in a pot of cold water. Bring the water to a boil, and once it starts boiling, process the jar for 15 minutes. While they heat up, the tomatoes soften and begin releasing their juice. No vinegar covering the flavour, no sugar, no herbs or spices, basically. Tomatoes preserved as tomatoes. After 15 minutes, take the jar out and leave it to cool, and this is the result. Whole cherry tomatoes, sitting in their own juice. If you enjoy growing and preserving your own food, practical village life, and making things from scratch, consider subscribing. That's exactly what I make here. And here's why I bother doing this, even with such a small harvest. In winter, I can open one jar and throw it straight into a pan for a quick pasta sauce. Use it on pizza, add it to soup or stew, or use it anywhere I'd normally reach for canned tomatoes. And you don't need 20 kilos of tomatoes to make preserving worthwhile. You don't need a huge vegetable garden either. Even one small bowl of cherry tomatoes from a balcony can become food for later instead of going soft on the kitchen counter. That's what I like about preserving food. Take what the garden gives you while it's fresh. Do as little to it as possible, and keep it for when the garden gives you nothing. Tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of salt, 15 minutes. Done. Better than store-bought.